How to replace the fingerprint reader board. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, and left speaker. Removal. Important: the following procedure demonstrates removing the plastic fingerprint placeholder instead of the fingerprint reader board. The fingerprint reader board is removed in the same manner. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips-head screw that secures the fingerprint reader board bracket to the display enclosure. Slide the fingerprint reader board bracket out of the notch in the display enclosure and remove. Lift the fingerprint reader board out of the cutout in the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the fingerprint reader board.